Hi, I was going out canoeing today, and I talked to my brother Kev, and he wanted to know what I was bringing for gear. So I'm going to show you what I'm bringing for gear. First thing that I got on me here is this little belt thing. And on this belt thing, got some paracord, got a canteen, and the reason I bring this canteen, it's one of those Bear Grylls ones, is just because it's got a little cooking, boiling water pot on the bottom. And it carries water, it works. I've got some bear spray, and I've got a 2-person emergency shelter and a mosquito net in a waterproof bag. So then I wear this vest, so let's just check out what we got in the vest. We're gonna check out what we got in the vest. In this vest, I've got some more paracord. I got a little toque that my buddy Ray Bones gave me. Just in case I need to be warm, got this little hat. In these 2 pockets, I have some rubber gloves. Just rubber gloves. This top pocket here, absolutely nothing. Nothing's in that pocket. Probably something in that pocket. My daughter Catherine probably took it. This pocket here, got some matches in a waterproof container. Why? In case you gotta start a fire, right there. Strike anywhere matches. And I also got a couple granola bars in my vest. A couple granola bars. Put that back in. It's not coming out on the table. Yep. This pocket here, got some cumin spice and some oil because I was going to take my missus out for a little canoeing trip and spice her up. And let's see, let's go into this pocket right here. This pocket right here. Oh, I carry this little stove. Why? Just gotta boil water, easier than starting a fire. Will run in the rain basically. It's just one of these little metal stoves with the solid fuel tablets. Does the trick. Kind of stinky, but whatever. Does the trick. Does the trick. Let's see what else we got. We got a candle. We got a sharpener for the stone, for an axe, or for my knife. We got some heat sheet too, for whatever reason, don't know why. I've got a ferro rod striker. I think this works. Oh yeah, she works. It's got a little compass on it, but it's garbage. What do I have in here? Oh, I have a striker for the matches. And I have a compass. Alright, this pocket here, down below, this one here, got another sharpening pen, used to sharpen stuff, got a lighter, oh, and I've got these. I was talking to my daughter about it today because we were testing out fire starters. These are fire starters. They're cotton with Vaseline on them, so cut them open, start a fire. Oh, it looks like I got a whole whack of these babies. Let's see, do I have anything in this pocket? Oh yes, I have some hot chocolate right there, hot chocolate. And let's see, what else we got? Oh, what do we got in here? I got some tea and coffee in a bag. Tea and coffee, ready to go. Okay, let's do the inside pockets here. Inside this pocket, nicely put away, is just some first aid stuff, some first aid gloves and some pressure bandages. So it gets cut, we got it covered. That's basically that side of the vest. We're going to this side, that's the pocket with nothing. This pocket here, various first aid stuff, some aspirins, some gravel, some more pressure bandages, earplugs. Yeah, bunch of stuff in case you get cut. That was supposed to be in here. I got a plastic bag. Why? Don't know why. Wait a minute, there's something in there. No. This is a garbage bag. So we're going to keep that garbage bag. Might need it for garbage. Got a knife, just a cheap, I don't even know what this is. Can't read it. some sort of knife. It's my kid's knife, but he doesn't use it, so I took it. Hofstadters or Hofstors or whatever, some sort of Swedish knife. It's really sharp. Got some tape on here with some paracord. Just cheap knife. It stays in here all the time. Does the trick. Another plastic bag of nothing. A road flare. Well, I don't know what I'd use this for, but if I had to, handheld marine signal flare, got it. Glasses, spare glasses. Well, I wear glasses, so it's a pain in the ass, but spare glasses. Reading glasses. Okay, next pocket. Next pocket has